Rank number 1. Switzerland. Switzerland is on rank number 1 country, which paid a very good salary to its employees. It paid almost $6,131.87 per month. They introduced the concept of employees working only 4 days a week but with longer working hours. The Swiss job market readily welcomes foreigners, especially in senior management level positions. Rank number 2. Australia. Australia is in the second top place where employees get the highest salary, approx $4,123.57 per month. There's a lot of rules to protect you at work. Many people are surprised at how many rules and regulations there are. Sarcasm, jokes and cynicism are common. You can't always take what people say at face value. Rank number 3. Singapore. Singapore is in the third top place where employees get the highest salary, approx $4,114.22 per month. Singapore is one of the most wired countries and technologically advanced ICT markets in the world. Many companies in Singapore have moved from 6 days to 5 days per week schedule. 40 to 45 hours per week. Rank number 4. Luxembourg. Luxembourg is in the fourth top place where employees get the highest salary, approx $4,061.08 per month. Polite aloofness is characteristic of many Luxembourgers, especially when addressing foreigners. In Luxembourg, meetings tend to be brief. Typically, only a minimum of small talk preludes business. Rank number 5. Canada. Canada is in the fifth top place where employees get highest the salary, approx $3,711.52 per month. It has 20 institutes and national programs focusing on life sciences, physical sciences, engineering, technology and industry support, and corporate management. Imports. The top imports of Canada are cars $21.7 billion, vehicle parts $14.6 billion, delivery trucks $11.6 billion, broadcasting equipment $9.74 billion, and gold $8.98 billion.